What's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with some XRP and crypto analysis for you guys. And if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe if you like what you see. And also, if you're new to this channel, go down in my description box below and check out my Ichimoku videos so you can understand my trading style and so you can understand what I see in the markets. But without further ado, I always like to start off my channel with some scripture because I put Jesus Christ first and foremost in my life. So if you don't like that, you could pause that or you could skip ahead. But I recommend that you check out what I have to say. So I'm starting off with Isaiah 66:18. For I know their works and their thoughts. It shall come that I will gather all nations and tongues, and they shall come and see my glory. So when the Lord is saying here that I know their works, I know their thoughts, he knows the thoughts of your wicked thoughts, he knows your good thoughts, he knows your good deeds, he knows your bad deeds, he knows things that you've done in faith for him. He knows everything about you. He knows everything. Nothing is hidden from him. He knows it all. So it's going to come a time where he gathers all the nations that speak different languages and different dialects to come together and see his glory. And it's going to be an amazing day when that happens. And will it be in our time? We don't know. Will it be in a few generations? Who knows? But it will happen and it will come. Just like we walk by faith and not by sight, and you are betting that XRP is going to win in the market and do its thing, it's the same thing. You have to have faith in the Lord because you can't see what price of XRP is, but it's the same thing. You can't see Jesus, but you know it's there. You know it's there. So that's why I say this. It's important. I just say it's good to have a relationship with Jesus Christ. But other than that, let's get to some analysis for you guys. I love to share what I have for you guys. All right. So starting off with the 5-minute time frame, you know, it looks like we're starting to make our parabolic movement. It's looking good. We're at resistance right here. It's just a minor resistance on the hour time frame. So let's look at the hour time frame real quick. As you can see, we're ranging in here a little bit. We've been in this range since, let's see, since the last 3 days, and we've been making some progress to this side. So I'm just waiting for this box to be broken. It shows, you could see that the ultimate oscillator we have broken up to the upside, and right now we're facing some a little turbulence, which is all good, but I'm waiting for a break to either the upside or the downside. But I see more of the upside being more appealing, and we're gonna make our way to the daily time frame in a bit on why I think so. And also, I said this back in 2000. I said this back on July the 10th that Bitcoin would crash, and I will show you a chart that I have marked up on Bitcoin because I believe that it was going to crash. All right. But looking at it right here on the 2-hour time frame, you can see that we have turbulence right now because the cloud is acting as a resistance. So what I would like to see this starting to form a twist. We have a cross here, a bullish TK cross here. So we might get a flash pump to the upside at about 26 cents. I'm in this trade currently. I'm profiting pretty well right now. So I'm expecting price to move up a little bit higher. What's gonna determine if we even move even higher than this, not just this breakout of this box, but also getting Chiku span above price and also getting price above this cloud. So, and depending how price breaks up above the cloud will be interesting. But right now I have it moving to the upside. We'll see what happens in the next few hours looking at this time frame. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. We do have this symmetrical triangle which it had broke. You see that there is resistance right here at Kijinsen, which is a moving average that acts as support and resistance depending on the direction of the market. You see that it's starting to wick a little bit. So like I said, the next few hours, the 4-hour candle closes in about 1 hour 54 minutes. So we'll see what happens by then, how this candle will be looking at the time. How will it close? And what I really like to see see, and what I like right now is the daily time frame. I like this candle is showing strong rejection at this price. You see that it had a strong rejection here, strong rejection here, and we're making higher lows. So that shows that price wants to move up even higher. Like I said, we have resistance here at this cloud level and Kijisen level on the 4-hour time frame. So it's nice to see that price is starting to move up. So we might have a little struggle at this level. If we cannot break this level, price will probably come up and bounce to the downside, which is fine. I'm being realistic. I don't like to overhype anything. I like to just go by the market and show you what I see. And to end it, I'm gonna show you the weekly time frame, you guys. We still have potential to possibly move down just because of this candle. But you see how, depending on how this weekly candle closes, if we could mirror this, we will probably see some prices move even higher to the upside. And we see that momentum is showing downward movement off Kijisen right here. Looking at it on the ultimate oscillator, you see that price is starting to make its way back up to the 50 range. So it's interesting what's going to happen. It's showing signs of oversold, because when these two are far apart, this shows signs of oversold in the market. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. I say buy XRP, sell your Bitcoins. I'm just joking. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving my thoughts out there to you guys, and you take what I say with a grain of salt. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe your thoughts, and if you liked it, please subscribe, because I'm going to be giving you guys some crypto humor very soon, and I think it's time to put out some funny content for you guys as well. All right, God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more, and peace.